Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here. Have you ever been to a shrimp boil? Yeah, a shrimp boil. You know, a shrimp boil, you've got the corn, the sausage, you've got the shrimp, the potatoes. Yeah, I love going to one, you know, when they throw it out all on the paper and you just go out there and everybody eats. It's a great time. But you know what? You can do a shrimp boil pretty fast. And I'm going to show you how to do one. But what I am is just giving you a preview because I will film it and then come back later with the full film and show you. But what you need for this, in case you've got this handy, you're going to need some Old Bay seasoning. You're going to need a stick of butter. You're going to need some shrimp. And I have got, well, how much do I have? I don't have my glasses on. Oh, 20 ounces. And this is raw peeled, deveined, and tail off and quick frozen. And I've also got smoked sausage here, and this is some venison sausage. You get the kind you like. And I've also got this right here. It's corn. These are 8 little corn on the cobs. Y'all, this is all we're gonna do right here. Putting this together really quick. And you're gonna do it in the oven. Now, let me say, where can you get my recipe for this? This recipe is in What's Cooking with Dana, y'all. And this is available on Amazon right now. And y'all, my paperback version of this is on sale, 29% off. Amazon put it on sale, the paperback version. So if you've been thinking about getting one but hadn't yet, there you go. It's 29% off on the paperback. And the regular hardback is $49. And then we've got Happiness is Homemade, y'all. It's also tried and true recipes, a very #1 bestseller. Both of these are. And if you love your iPhone and want to see things on the iPhone that I do, I have an app as well, and you can subscribe to it. And there is a limited time offer of $2.99 a month. I know it, to join my family. And all of my recipes from both books are on this. Stories, everything. So for the price of a cup of coffee a month, you could have all this as well as meal planning tools. So enough of that. Let's move on with what we're cooking on this, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this part, and I'll pull it out later and show you the end. I'll come in later. But the first thing you had to do is get your potatoes. And I gotta crank it in my oven, and let me see what I crank it to, 400. All right, y'all tell me where you're from. David's going to want to know, and he's going to want to know the weather. He's outside working on the farm right now, so he'll get back with you later. But all right, you're going to need a 9 by 13. So we're going to go ahead and spray this puppy. Oops, I think I sprayed the lid. Okay, here we go. Spray this so we have no sticking. I'll get it assembled, and then, you know, cook time. So what we got to do right now is we've got to boil our potatoes and pre-boil them a little bit. Now you can do this the easy way, you know. Oh, somebody said, what's the name of your app? My app is Cooking with Dana, y'all, but you can also go to danasapp.com to get on there, and I'll put the links below shortly. But anyway, I've got my potatoes in hot water, you know, and in boiling water, getting them a little parboiled. But you can I peeled and cut mine up, but if you can buy one of those little packs of potatoes with the skin on, the red is what you usually get. So I used mine already in something else, so I had to use these, but it's okay. We are flexible as cooks. All right, the next thing we got to do is add the corn and get it going a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna add the corn. Y'all, this is so easy. I hate to even tell y'all how easy it is, but we're gonna put the corn in here too and let it get a little parboiled. I almost lost that one. If you've never had a shrimp boil, oh my gosh, it's so fun. We used to have them at one side of our family's family reunion, and one of our people who has gone on to be with the Lord now, he would do it outside, and it would be so nice. It was usually over the Thanksgiving holidays, and all of us cooks would just be tired of cooking at some point, and he would go out there and make a big old shrimp boil, and we could feed everybody, and you would get newspapers and serve it on newspapers. It was so cool. But anyway, let me get that down in there and get that a little pre-done. All right, now, I gotta put the lid back on it. There it is. All right, here we go. So So now what we got to do is spray the pan, add the corn, potatoes, shrimp, and sausage. So I'm just going to open up stuff and start putting it in there. The sausage I recommend putting on top. Hey, Franklin, Louisiana from Gina. Hey, Gina. Maddie. How are you, Maddie? And Midgeville, Georgia. Hey, Midgeville, Georgia. I'm glad y'all are with me today. Y'all, just to be honest, I've just got to wait till this gets done. So what are we going to do till then? Well, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing tomorrow is Sunday. And y'all know in my app, we do, there's tools in there that I've put in there so you can organize your whole week in like a snap and send it to your grocery list. So tomorrow I will be doing that so you can watch me do mine and see how easy it is. It takes no time at all, no time. Especially if you use my, the menu that I have for the week. And you don't have to. You can always do all your own. You can put your own recipes in there. But danasapp.com will get you that. And it's on sale right now for $2.99. So we got sales going on. Y'all come on, get on there, hop on there and join. If you've already been looking around, now's the time to join because it's been reduced. I went to bat for you, okay? All right, here we go. Let's see what's going with this. All right. Now, if you want this done as fast as this says, you're going to have to boil these off for 6 minutes. Well, I have this little hickey-do. Here it is. And I'm going to pull this out and put it in my 9x13. Now, y'all, you can do all kind of stuff with this, okay? But anyway, we're going to put this in there. It's going to be so good. And y'all can serve this up if you want to make hush puppies, make hush puppies. If you just want some bread to put with it, just put the bread. So anyway, we're going to put the corn in here. And also, I caution you about the salt and the pepper or anything you put in there because your sausage is salty. Well, what I use is salty. Yours might not be. But if it is, you don't want to gob it up with salt because that juice is going to cook out and flow down over that corn. Now, y'all, this is a lot prettier if you get those red potatoes. So try to get those. And like I said, I had those and I used them in another recipe. I know. That's what I did. All right, let me turn this off. Y'all look at it and see how pretty it is. Okay, so we got this going. This is how it looks right now. We're getting started with the shrimp boil. And the next thing we're going to do is add all this other stuff. We got to add the shrimp and we got to add the sausage. I say add the sausage last and just pour that shrimp out there. Now, if I live somewhere where I could get, you know, my stuff's frozen right now. Y'all may notice this, so I'm going to have to cook mine a little bit longer. But if I had some fresh shrimp, oh girl and guy, I would be using that, but I don't. But this is what you do when you live up near the mountains of Alabama. You just go ahead and you do it like this. Okay, here we go. Now I've got to, look at that, that's going to be gorgeous soon. And the next thing I'm going to do is put on my sausage. Now you decide how big or little you want the sausage. I'm trying to decide if I want whole or half. I think I'm going to do halves, okay? And just cut them in half. And these are my kitchen shears. The reason I'm doing halves, I like a big chunk of it, but I also like the juice to be able to run out this part. That juice is going to be so delicious. And we're just going to load it up. And then we're going to put it in the oven. How easy is this shrimp boil? I know it. Now, I've done shrimp boils, you know, where you get the big pot and you do the whole thing and it's great and all that kind of stuff. But, y'all, this is a lot easier. I'm just not going to lie to you. It's a lot easier. And those big pots that you get, you know, like when you're at the beach and you rent a place and you go in and they got that big pot and you're like, oh, I'm going to make a shrimp boil and I'm doing it with fresh shrimp. I love it when I get to the beach and I have fresh shrimp. But anyway, that doesn't happen very often because we're workaholics. Are y'all? We are. All right, this is it. Now what you're going to do is put, oh, we got to pour the butter over it. All right, we got a stick of butter, which is half a cup. And now we're going to put a tablespoon of Old Bay in it. Y'all think I got enough? I know I do. Okay, I got it. We're going to put the Old Bay in it, and it will be in there. And I melted that butter. This is what we're going to do. Y'all, I swear this is so easy. I know. But we don't want people to know how easy it is because we want them to think, oh, you slaved over it. Anyway, we're going to pour it on top. Make sure you get those potatoes and all that kind of stuff. Slowly go over it. Oh, yeah. Now, this is going to go. If everything were thawed, it would cook for 18 minutes at 400, but it's not. So I'm going to check it a little bit later. I'll check it at 18 minutes and see how it is. And y'all know on the potatoes, you'll have to stick a fork in it and make sure it's tender when it comes out. And on the shrimp, they got to be curled up and pink. Y'all know all that. But anyway, let's get this in here. And I will come back later in the day and show y'all what it looks like, okay? Because it's going to be good. And I'm going to have a lot of eating to do. Look at this. Yeah, we got a lot of eating to do, don't we? All right, this is going in the oven. Hey, y'all, Dana here. I'm back with my Snappy Shrimp Boil. Are y'all ready? We did it right in the oven. Here it is. Let me pull it on over. Hot, hot. All right, y'all, here it is. I did have to sneak in there and cover it up with foil for a minute. But y'all, this is a Snappy Shrimp Boil that you can make in your oven. You can make it right in your oven. And the recipe's in my cookbook. What's Cooking with Dana, y'all? It'll come right to your house if you get it on Amazon. And right now, this is on sale for 29% off on the paperback on Amazon. So y'all go get you one. Also, if you love having stuff on your phone, you can also get my app downloaded at danasapp.com. But y'all look at this. What do you think? Y'all would serve this up, wouldn't you? It smells so good in here. And y'all saw earlier how easy it was to throw together. And the recipe's in my cookbook, Cooking with Dana. What's Cooking with Dana, y'all? And it's called Snappy Shrimp Boil, okay? And you just do pre-cook your potatoes, then you put your corn in there and pre-cook it a little bit, and then you pile all this in here, melt some butter, and put some Old Bay seasoning in the butter, pour it over it, and bake it in the oven. And y'all, this is gonna feed us for a few days. I know it, unless the grandkids stop by. Anyway, this is it. Do y'all like this apron? This is my New Orleans apron. When I do the shrimp boil, I feel like I should wear my New Orleans apron. Okay. But anyway, I do want to show you that I went ahead, got some cornbread with it, and I have got my shrimp bowl here, my Snappy, because Snappy goes fast. Got a little lemon on there. Also got some sauce to dip it in. And I'm just going to tell y'all, this stuff is delicious, and it will feed an army. And let me get me a bite of this shrimp right here. This one looks like the best one. Look at that, y'all. That is so good. We got potatoes, corn, we got smoked sausage, and we got shrimp. What is not to love? Do y'all think y'all would eat this? It's easy. Y'all gonna have to talk amongst yourself. I'm eating. But anyway, I wanted to pop back in and show you this again. And like I said, it's just a beautiful meal. And I'm going to tell you that the good Lord loves you, and I love you too. And y'all enjoy this Snappy Shrimp Boil. So easy and so delicious. And the good Lord loves you. I love you too. Go make some really good food for your family. Love and blessings to you. Oh, and share this around and go watch some of my videos on YouTube as well and subscribe over there. Follow me over here on Facebook and then go subscribe over there on YouTube. It's all free just for you. All right. Love and blessings to you. Bye now.